Good evening everyone. Today the topic of my presentation is in process and finished product quality control tests for ophthalmic dosage form according to IP, BP and USP. So coming to the introduction portion, so ophthalmic preparation is a sterile product that is intended to be applied to the eyelids or placed in the space between the eyelids and eyeball. So they are the specialized dosage form designed to be installed on the external surface of eye like topical route, intraocular route and periocular route to the eye. So several categories of ophthalmic preparation that are given below, that is eye drops, eye ointment, powders or eye drop and eye lotions, semi-solid eye preparations, ophthalmic inserts and eye lotions. So basically in process quality control and finished product material which are used in the preparation of eye drops having some physicochemical characteristics, so we need to check whether the material are suitable for the preparation of eye drop or not, and also we have to check the container closure integrity test for the eye drops. So what is the objective of the in process finished product quality control test? So the main objective is to optimize the whole applied technological procedure and to monitor, control and improve efficiency the whole applied operation at the every stage of finished pharmaceutical product, what control of the process, control of the quality, inspection of raw material, equipment, environment, process, etc. So in different pharmacopoeia having their own specification, we have to follow that specification for the test quality control test for the ophthalmic preparation. So here is the different type of quality control and finished product test for ophthalmic. Coming to the eye drops, so eye drops having uniformity of volume test, particle size, sterility test. Eye ointments having test for metal particles, uniformity of weight, particle size, sterility, leakage test. Powders for eye drops and eye lotions having uniformity of dosage unit, content uniformity, uniformity of mass, and semi-solid eye preparations having the particle size quality control test, ophthalmic inserts having uniformity of dosage unit, content uniformity as well, eye solutions and eye lotions having isotonicity value, buffering and sterility. These are the quality control and finished product quality control test for the ophthalmic preparation. So in this slide here is the comparison is given between all the pharmacopoeia regarding IP, BP and USP. So for every dosage form having some specification limit, like the uniformity of volume are given in the IP but not mentioned in BP and USP. So there is some specification limit. In this slide you easily observe that what is the difference between all the pharmacopoeia and which test is applicable for the particular dosage form in, and which test is mentioned in that pharmacopoeia only. So these are the specifications limit which are mentioned in different type of pharmacopoeia for the different dosage form. So here is the semi-solid eye preparations specification, particle size, sterility, uniformity and all. So coming to the quality control test for ophthalmic preparations as per IP, BP and USP. So in this slide we check that whether which test is, this is a one type of we can say that one type of checklist which test is applicable for and given in which pharmacopoeia. By seeing this slide we can easily understand. So these all tests are applicable for different pharmacopoeia, and which test is not applicable, that is here mentioned is NS. So these are the tests. So thank you.